Assalamualaikum friends, here is 500 waiting element in CDR file, but these files are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and by now for lifetime iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will tell you password. Okay, here is CDR file for Corel, and here is just preview in JPG file. Wow, all files in CDR. Okay, you see here 500 items in CDR file, and all files are editable. For example, open this one, click on lock, and you see you can move anything or change color. Okay, here is a background. Wow, amazing. No, next is unlock. Here is and for shadow. Wow. Okay, now and next is here unlock. Depend your own choice. That's mean these are editable file. And here is Corel 2021 in 64-bit version. Click here and unlock. Here is a background, and here is our object. Oh, no, and last file is this one. Okay, so I say again, password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and buy now for lifetime. I hope these elements are useful for you. Take care, Allah Hafiz.